Hi guys, this is Shrutika. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Reviewing 24. Guys, I wanted to review a few products which I got yesterday. The products were delivered to me yesterday and I was supposed to review them after my shift, but unfortunately yesterday suddenly I got chills and colds at the office, so I was not able to review that product. But today by the grace of God I'm feeling a little better, so I thought why not to review the products after my shift. So guys, I'm recording this video at 3:30 a.m. in the morning after completing my shift. So I just hope that this video goes well. So I have three products, like two products are from Amazon and one product is from Meesho. And let me also give you a quick story behind this product. Guys, it's my birthday month, like my birthday is on 24th May and I have ordered so many products and I'm going to review them one by one. And guys, it's my birthday month, so I'm a little excited. I hope that all the dresses which I have got fits me well. So reviewing them one by one. So guys, these are those products, like this is from Meesho. These two products are from Amazon. So first I think I should check this, guys, and excuse me because I have ordered a lot of stuff like from lingerie to tops and dresses, so I don't know what product comes first, so excuse me. Like basically it's lingerie, so I'm scared of product because I was so much in a hurry that I didn't got the time to check what product they had delivered me. So now let's check this. Oh, this. So I believe this is the alternate top. Sorry guys, please bear with me. The alternate top, alternate top. I believe this is that because from the print I recognize, and since a long time this product was in my cart, but due to some reason I was not ordering it. So this is the product. This is the alternate top. Now let's check how it looks. Let's talk about the packaging. So the transparent packaging and this, the paper packaging. Okay, bit decent packaging I would say, not that great, average. And so guys, please bear with me. I've just came after completing my shift, so please bear with me. Okay, I just hope that this top meets my expectation. By the way, when I was seeing this top on website, it was like a chiffon, like a silk material, but in reality it is like a cotton material. Okay, maybe this is disaster number one, maybe. Okay, so this is how the top looks. So I have ordered this in the size, in which size I have ordered. Sorry guys, I have forgotten that in which size. Well, it's not mentioned here. I think I have ordered this in size M, then I'm not sure. I'll update you later on. Okay, they have not mentioned the invoice also. No. The wash care is there. Sorry, not the wash care. My bad. Yeah, it's pretty wash care type also. I see, if you can able to see, they have mentioned everything like machine wash cold with light colors, iron if needed. Okay, so it's a wash care. Okay guys, I'm not mispronouncing anything or I'm not giving any misleading information too. So yes, let me try this top and let's see how it looks. So yes, it's an alternate. But I think that this would be a bit bigger for me, but let's see. Okay, so guys, this is how the product looks on me. Okay, I think that's the knot to tie back because I'm not able to find the hook or the pin to tuck it. So just for timing, I've just tied those. Okay, so guys, this is how it looks. Not at all flattering. Like the picture, I'll put down the pictures over here somewhere. Okay, but this is not at all looking the product which I want versus the product which I got delivered. Probably I have ordered a little bigger size than mine. I think small will fit me. It's as I told you, right? This will be a little. This part will be a little bigger for me. It's exactly 100%. Plus, it's very long, so maybe like tucking will work in this case. The tucking top. But no, it's a bit bigger for me. I think either I'll get this product as a replacement of size. I'm talking about the material. Material is not at all same, guys. Like when I saw on the model, like again, I told you I'll put down the picture. So when I saw that model, she was very the material was so glossy, so shiny. But this material is not at all like that, guys. It's like a cotton, cotton and some other blend. It's not the silk. But yes, the prints are pretty okay. But I think the size plays so important role. The moment I wore this top, it's not giving me that vibes. It's not giving me that. The pictures which I saw, it's not giving me that kind of. I'm not getting the word and I'm not getting satisfied with this product. So I think either I'll replace this product. I'll think upon it. Like I have time till tomorrow. So yesterday I got this product delivered. So I think 2 or 3 days I have still in the hand either to return or replace. So I think I'll try to replace this product maybe. What do you think? Yes, and by the way, guys, when I was changing, one of my top just lost. So I have to search for that and I'll get back to you with the next product. Hello, see, I got this top. It was somewhere else stuck in the jeans. while I was changing this top. So yes, so the next product is, so this is the first product itself is a disaster. I think the product is good, but the fitting is not matching. Also the fabric is not matching as per my expectation which I saw on website. So the first product is not that good. I'm going to replace this for sure. Either replace or I'll return it, because again guys, I don't remember exact price of this top, but it's little like in between of 3 or 400. So if you're paying someone like 3 or 400 and if you're getting this product, I love it. So again, this second product is from Amazon itself. I'm excited. I just hope that this fits me well, because this product is going for the replacement for sure. I think I'll replace this. So there is this beautiful mini dress from Amazon. Guys, as I mentioned, this is my birthday month, so this dress I'm looking for the actual birthday day. Like on 24th, I'm looking to wear this pretty mini dress. I just hope that it fits me well. And by the way, let's take appreciation to the packet. Like they have this Ziploc plastic packet. Okay, a beautiful picture of the model is shown, so you don't have to add other picture for the same. Now let's take a view at this product. I just hope guys it fits me. And by the way guys, as I mentioned, it's midnight. Okay, I'm recording this video at the midnight after my shift, so I have to talk in this space because in the other room my parents are sleeping, so please bear with me. Okay, so yes, this dress, okay, they have given their premium collection as well, which they have with them. Okay, I've seen this top. I have seen this top multiple times on my show. See guys, it's pretty long for me. It's not my size. Still I'm recording this video. Please bear with me guys. Okay, so this is the dress. Okay, now I will show you after the product looks. Okay, due to some reason the camera is not capturing the actual length of the dress, because I will try this fitting me. I think you can be able to see. It's not that long, but it's not that short. Can you able to see me now? I think no. But yes guys, this is how the dress looks. It really fits well. It's hugging the body at the right places. Okay, the strands of this dress to tie up are really great. Okay, so it will not fall easily off. And again, the size is fitting me well, so I don't think I need any alteration or anything. Okay, the back is very simple. Okay, but I would say guys that the material of this cloth is too thin, so you need really good lingeries. Okay, if you want to flaunt. And yes, that's it. I think I'll keep this product. It's really good. It's really good for the summers. It's really good for those dinner dates or birthday. And I'm planning to wear this dress on my birthday. So yes, I think I like this. Okay, so the final product is this one. Now let's hope that this product fits me well. So guys, the second red midi dress, I'm keeping it. Okay, I really liked it because it's fitting me at the right places. It's hugging the body, and again, no alteration required. Plus, the material is a bit thin, but I can manage with the lingerie, a good good quality lingerie. But now let's focus on this. By the way, this product is from Meesho. From the packaging itself, you can able to recognize it. And now let's see. This is a nice. This color has a good name. They're calling this. I'll give you the name. The name is very interesting. Yes, they're calling this color as Gia Pink. I don't know what Gia Pink, but I like the name. So yeah. Why am I getting instincts? Why am I getting instincts like this will be a bit longer for my size, to my height? I don't know. Let's check it out. How do I do this? Okay, the material is very good and it's very thick. I see. It's not at all transparent. It's not at all see-through. Now let's hope that this gets me well. So yes guys, this is how the dress looks. It's a long dress. Okay, the only problem is it needs little alteration from here, so it can be like this. Okay, right now I'm not that comfortable sharing with you. Like, it's not fitting me that way, but from this side, oh my god, it just fitting me at the right part. Okay, from the back it's pretty simple. Okay, and I really like the fit. Okay guys, I hope it's be able to see me. So this is the maximum angle I could try because I don't have that space currently. But yeah, so see this cut. This cut is, oh my god, like you can go with those high heels. And yes guys, sometimes Meesho really shares or sends you a very premium quality dress. I mean this dress is equivalent to Urbanics, those models who wore and do photo shoot. It's that work. I mean the cloth is so, I mean it's the cloth is very thick. So see, the stretch is also good. This is how it looks from the back. but I really like this dress. As I told you, I just need little alterations, so it doesn't slits down. And yes, guys, now I'm confused between that red dress and this because both dresses are looking absolutely flattering. Okay, the only problem with the red dress is its material is very thin, so you have to be very careful by wearing any lingerie just to avoid those harsh lines and all that. But in this case, guys, it's really great. I mean, you can go for it. I mean, I really like this product. I mean, within these three products, this one is my favorite, so I'm just giving a heart. I only need, as I told you, a little bit of like this a stitch and it would be good to go. I'm really happy. So yes, guys, if you like this video of reviewing dresses from Amazon or Meesho, do let me know. Do not forget to hit like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a lot for me, guys. I recently started creating content, so I really need that push from you guys. Okay, and if you really like this video, do not forget to like, share, comment, also to share with your friends in case you want. And yes, guys, I'm still very new creator. Okay, I'm just trying to figure out more things. And as I mentioned, guys, I'm a full-time corporate girly, so I have a lot of things to manage, and also on weekends you hardly get time to record and to work on that. So whenever I get time, I try to record the videos for you. And yes, I'm really happy with this dress, guys. I don't feel like removing it. Seriously, I really like. I hope I could now get ready with this dress and go for a photo shoot and go for a cut cake. Oh, guys, I'm so sorry. I'm just fumbling a lot. I think I was about to say that I just hope that I could go with this dress and cut my cake. That's it, guys. My energy is getting low. I have to get back to my routine. Thank you. If you like this video, do let me know. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.